டிஎன் மேத்ஸ் வேர்ல்ட். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது அல்ஜீப்ரா லெசனோட பேசிக்ஸ் மட்டும் பார்க்க போகிறோம். என்னென்ன பேசிக்ஸ் அல்ஜீப்ராவில் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் வேரியபிள்ஸ், செகண்ட் ஒன் கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸ், தேர்டு டேர்ம்ஸ், ஃபோர்த் ஒன் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் அ டேர்ம், ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் அல்ஜீப்ராயிக் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸ், சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன் பாலினாமியல். இதனுடைய டெஃபினேஷன் ஒவ்வொன்றும் என்னென்ன அப்படிங்கிற பேசிக்ஸை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது வேரியபிள்ஸ். வேரியபிள்ஸ் டேக்ஸ் எ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேல்யூஸ். வேரியபிள்ஸ் ஆர் quantities that can take any value. They are denoted by small alphabets. For example, A, B, C, etc. X, Y, Z. That is 26 alphabets. Variables takes a different values. For example, A equals 5 in one sum. Same time, A equals 6 in another sum. Because A values difference sum to sum. So, it is variable. It takes any value, any other value, any 1 to uncountable values we can substitute for the variables. So it is a different value. So it is called variable. Sum to sum it can be changed. Next one, constants. Constant has a fixed value. Constants are quantities whose value do not change always. Constant has numerical values such as 1, 2, 3, etc. Constant means fixed value. That is, fixed value means number. 1 means only 1. 2 means 2 things or 2. 3 means 3. It cannot be changed to some. So constant means fixed value. Constant means fixed value. For example, numbers. All the numbers are constants. Next one, term. Term is a single mathematical expression. Term means it is also mathematical expression. What are the qualities? It may be single number. That number may be positive or negative. It may be single variable. Single variable means letter. Term may be a single number or may be a single variable. Otherwise, it may be a several variables multiplied but never added or subtracted. Variables multiples irukkalam. For example, xy. Xy is a term. But x plus y, x one term, y one term. There are two terms. Xy means single term. X plus y means two term. That is the difference in the last point. It was be several variables multiplied. Just one it be multiplication. X, Y, Z. It is one value. X, Y, Z, one term. Same time, x plus y plus z, 3 terms. Do you understand? Term means it is a mathematical expression. It should be in multiplication only. Never added or subtracted. Added and subtracted differ the term into 2. It may be a single number. Single number also a term. Single variable is also a term. Combination of variable and constant also a term. For example, 3x. 3x is also a term. 3 is also a term. X is also a term. XY is also a term. I think you understand that term word. Next one, types of terms. First one is like term. Second one is unlike term. Like term means that variable must be same. Unlike term, variables are different. See the first point, same variable factor in like terms, different variable factor in like unlike terms. Like term means same variables and powers must be same. See the second point, the variables of the terms along with their respective exponents must be same. Anuடைய powers also same. Third point, like terms can be added and subtracted. Like terms மட்டும்தான் add பண்ண முடியும், subtract பண்ண முடியும். For example, 12x and 3x are like terms and should be added. 12 plus 3, 15x. So 12x plus 3x equals 15x. Next, unlike terms, different variable factor. Unlike term cannot be added and subtracted. Unlike terms add பண்ணவும் முடியாது, subtract பண்ணவும் முடியாது. For example, 13x and 4y. 13x is also a x variable. 4y, in this question y is also variable. X and y are different values, so it is unlike terms. 13x plus 4y, answer 13x plus 4y. Don't add the coefficient of the variables. For example, x is, assume x is also a dog, y may be a cat. Never we can add dog and cat. Do you understand? Like term means same type of animal, unlike term means different types of animals. When we count how many dogs and how many cats, do you differentiate that? Next we go to next topic, coefficient of a term. The number in front of a term is called coefficient. It also a other name, numerical coefficient. The number in front of the term is called a coefficient. Example, in minus 6ab, the coefficient of the term is minus 6, including the sign of the number. So answer is minus 6. Do you understand? Coefficient means the number in front of a term. Next topic, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression means we combine variables and constant using mathematical operations, addition and subtraction to construct algebraic expressions. Variables constants addition or subtraction sign use பண்ணி எழுதுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் algebraic expression. For example, 3ab is one term plus 7c. 7c is another term. There are two terms. First one is 3ab plus 7c. This is called algebraic expression. Next one, polynomial. Polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression. Every polynomial is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression ஒரு ஹெட்ல வரக்கூடிய ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் டைப் நேம் தான் polynomial. Next we study what is the difference between polynomial and algebraic expression. Listen. Difference between algebraic expression and polynomial. Algebraic expressions may contain whole numbers, fractions, negative numbers as the power of their values. Example, 4x power is 3 by 2 minus 3x plus 9. Algebraic expressions la powers la fraction value வரலாம், negative value வரலாம். Second example, 2y square plus 5 by y. That is 5 by y. Y is in denominator. For example, y is dividing number 5 minus 3. So it is also a algebraic expression. Next one, 3x square minus 4x plus 1. It is also a polynomial and also a algebraic expression. First one is only algebraic expression. Second example is also algebraic expression. Third example is in both category. One is polynomial, another one is algebraic expression. Do you understand that? Next one, polynomial. Polynomial contains only whole numbers as the power of their variables. No fractions, no negative numbers occurs in polynomials. So example, 4x square minus 3x plus 9. Listen, the powers are positive. Just only positive whole numbers. Whole numbers means start with 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Second example, 2y power 6 plus 5y power 3 minus 3. It is also a polynomial and also a algebraic expression. Do you understand that? Every polynomial is also a algebraic expression. Listen, understand the difference between expressions and polynomial. Expressions may be negative, may be fraction, may be whole numbers as their powers. But only whole numbers as their powers in polynomial. That is the difference between polynomial and algebraic expression. You must differentiate that one. Next one, types. Types of polynomials. Listen, first one, a polynomial is an expression containing two or more algebraic terms. In a polynomial, all variables are raised to only whole number powers. Algebraic expression இருக்கலாம், பட் அதனுடைய பவர்ஸ் என்னவா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா ஹோல் நம்பர்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். தட் இஸ் கால் பாலினாமியல். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், a square plus 2ab plus b square is also a polynomial. 4x square plus 3x minus 7 is also a polynomial. Next one, some errors occurs in polynomial and identifying algebraic expressions. Listen the three examples. A polynomial cannot contain division by a variable. Never comes variable under division. Example, 4x square minus 5 by 1 plus x is not a polynomial because variable is in under division. Next one, negative exponents. For example, 7x power minus 2 plus 5x minus 6 is not a polynomial because minus 2 is negative power, so it is not a polynomial but it is an algebraic expression. Third one, fractional exponents. Example, 3x power 3 plus 4x power 1 by 2 plus 5 is not a polynomial because exponent is in fraction form, that is 1 by 2. So it is not a polynomial but it is also an expression, algebraic expression. Next we study the types of polynomials. First one, monomial. Monomial means an expression which contains only one term is called monomial. Example, 4x 3x square y minus 2y square. There are three monomials are given as an example. Next one, binomial. Binomial means an expression which contains only two terms is called binomial. Examples, 2x plus 3. 2x is one term, 3 is another term. So there are two terms in 2x plus 3. Second one, 5y square plus 9y. 5y square, 5y square is one term. 9y is another term. There are two terms in this question. Next one, a square b square plus 2b. A square b square is one term. 2b is another term. So there are two terms. In these three examples, plus sign divides the term. இந்த கொஸ்டின் கவனிச்சு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், ப்ளஸ் சைன் தான் என்ன பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா அந்த டூ டேர்ம்ஸை க்ரியேட் பண்ணுது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் மோனோமியலில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ப்ளஸ் சைன் வந்திருக்காது, மைனஸ் சைன் வந்திருக்குது. இன்ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் த வேரியபிள்ஸ் வரல, முன்னாடி தான் வந்திருக்கு, கோஎஃபிஷியண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ மோனோமியல். பட் பைனாமியலில் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ப்ளஸ் சைன் மைனஸ் சைன் வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு நம்பர்ஸ் வந்திருக்கணும். அப்படி வந்தால் தான் அது டூ டேர்ம்ஸாக கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ட்ரைனாமியல், an expression which contains only three terms is called trinomial. For example, 2a square b minus 8ab plus b square. 2a square b one term minus 8ab one term, b square one term. There are three terms, so it is called trinomial. Next one, m square minus n square plus 3. In this question, m square one term, n square minus n square is another term, plus 3 is another term. There are three terms, so it is called trinomial. Next one, degree of a polynomial. What is degree? The highest power of the variable present in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Highest power, that is called degree. See, one example is given, 4x square plus 3x minus 7. In the above example, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Answer is 2 because x power greatest x power is 2. Second x value, x power is 1. First is x square. So highest power is 2. So that is the answer for this question. Algebra basics are over. Thank you.